Hi, we have already learnt that existing goodwill refers to goodwill that already appears as an asset in the balance sheet of the firm. The usual mode of treatment of goodwill already appearing in the books is to write off the existing goodwill among the old partners' capital accounts in their old profit sharing ratio. However, sometimes the old partners may decide to carry forward the existing goodwill. That is, they do not want to write off the existing goodwill. They want to carry forward the existing goodwill. In this video, we will learn the treatment when the old partners decide that they would like to carry forward the goodwill which already appears as an asset in the balance sheet. So what do we do in such a case? In such a case, the incoming partner is required to bring in only his share of goodwill, which is equal to the difference between the value of goodwill determined at the time of admission of partner minus the existing goodwill. So he will bring in only his share of goodwill, which is equal to the difference between the value of goodwill which is determined at the time of admission of partner minus the existing goodwill. So we can see this by means of an example. Let's say the value of goodwill of firm on admission of C, the new partner, is determined at rupees 1 lakh. And goodwill already appears in the books at rupees 20,000. Now let's say C is admitted as a partner for 1/4 share in the profits. Now here, since the existing partners want to carry forward the goodwill which already appears in the books rupees 20,000, C must compensate the sacrificing partners for the amount equal to his share of, which is 1/4 of the value of goodwill of the firm minus the existing goodwill, which is rupees 80,000. 1 lakh rupee minus rupees 20,000, which is rupees 80,000 into 1/4, which comes up to rupees 20,000. So usually what do we do is we write off the 20,000 among the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio and calculate C share of goodwill as 1 lakh into 1/4 equal to rupees 25,000. But when existing partners decide that they want to carry forward this 20,000 goodwill already appearing in the books, C is required to bring in or required to compensate the sacrificing partners for 1/4 of 1 lakh minus 20,000 or 1/4 of rupees 80,000 equal to rupees 20,000. So now that we've learnt the treatment when the old partners decide to carry forward the existing goodwill, in the upcoming video, we will solve a few example sums based on this concept.